Did you know that Homo sapiens, us, have only existed for about 130,000 years? Compare that to the 5 billion years Earth has been around. In the grand scale of time, that's less than 1% of the planet's existence. Why am I starting this video with that information? Because to watch this video, you need to be grounded, down to earth literally and metaphorically. And being grounded is the key to humbling yourself, seeing the bigger picture, and making decisions that truly matter. Our lives are short, shockingly short, but they hold the potential to be the greatest adventure humanity has ever known. Yet for so many, life becomes little more than paying bills, getting stuck in routines, and simply surviving. Here's the thing, your brain is wired for survival, not fulfillment. Studies show that the average person spends 47% of their waking hours in autopilot mode, doing things out of habit without truly engaging with the moment. But here's the flip side, our brains also have the power of neuroplasticity. This means you can rewire your mind at any age to focus on what really matters. And when you do that, your life can become extraordinary. The philosopher Seneca once said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." Think about that. If you know you're not going to last long on this earth, why not take risks? Why not talk to that girl you've been thinking about? Why not start that business or take a leap of faith into the unknown? Even if you fail, even if you lose money or face rejection, the experience alone can be worth more than a lifetime of regret. The greatest regrets people have at the end of their lives aren't the things they tried and failed at. They're the risks they never took, the relationships they didn't nurture, and the dreams they let slip away. And here's something to remember. Having an adventurous life doesn't mean being famous or rich. It's about having a life full of meaning and excitement, even if it's entirely private. Adventure is about living on your terms. It's about taking the time to travel somewhere you've never been, trying something new even if it scares you, or simply saying yes to the opportunities that come your way. A fulfilling life isn't measured by Instagram likes or follower counts. It's measured by the moments that make your heart race, the connections that make you feel alive, and a sense of purpose that gets you out of bed every morning. So how do you stop wasting your precious time alive? Here are 3 powerful tips to start today. First, take risks that scare you. Your brain is naturally wired to fear uncertainty, but that fear is also where growth happens. Whether it's launching that project, moving to a new city, or simply being more honest with yourself and others, the greatest rewards often come from stepping into the unknown. Second, audit your time ruthlessly. Track how you spend every hour of your day for 1 week. Research shows that most people waste over 2 hours a day on distractions like social media and unproductive habits. That adds up to nearly 14 hours a week, almost a full day gone. Imagine what you could achieve if you reclaimed that time for things that truly matter. Third, invest in meaningful relationships. Harvard's 85-year-long study on happiness revealed a powerful truth. It's not wealth or fame that makes life fulfilling. It's relationships. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, and support you. Those connections will give you the courage and energy to pursue your dreams. And here's one last thing to remember. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every misstep, every mistake, is a lesson that brings you closer to the life you truly want. Your time here is short, but it's long enough to become the person you've always dreamed of being. Your life is short, but it's also miraculous. It's your chance to write a story that matters, not just to you, but to the people you love and the world you leave behind. So stop wasting time. Take that risk, make that call, say yes to the adventure. Your clock is ticking, but that's not a reason to fear it. It's your reminder to live boldly. If this resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Basics for more inspiring content. Let's make the most of this incredible journey together. Thanks for watching.